Hello everyone, this is Danya. I'm taking this video so that everybody knows that taking a dog on a first class AC cabin, how easy and comfortable and hassle-free it is. For knowing these facts about how to travel with your dog and let my friends know how, and YouTubers and many other people who have pets who are inquisitive to know how to travel on a first class AC cabin. So this video is going to reveal a lot of inside stories of how one could access such opportunity to travel and have a great experience while you're traveling with your dog.
Good boy. You're a good boy.
Good doggy, Neo, good doggy.
Good boy.
See? Yeah. And then you have pedigree, and then you have a bone, and then you have some amazing people. Train could stop for 5 to 10 minutes, so you could take your dog for a little walk, not a long walk, like 5 minutes walk, so that he gets his job done in pretty much in 2 minutes, and making sure that you're not left out with your dog outside on the platform when train take off. So there are times where you might have to like make sure the red signal is on, and while you're walking the dog, and also checking with the fellow waiters or service people of the Indian Railway to make sure that you're not left out. While you're traveling, the service was excellent. Indian Railway provided a great opportunity for people like me and maybe people who have traveling with their pets, and Neo was well behaved. Fellow passengers were really sweet. They took a great care of me and the dog, and making me comfortable and the dog, and I also made sure that they are comfortable too, having pet, and they were really excited to have the pet in the train. And you can see in this video he is so relaxed, and we're gonna reach Kochi like in another hour and a half. Super friendly kitchen staff. They gave me meals on time, made sure that I ate and drank my tea. So really want to thank them for taking care of me. They were not scared to come in when I have a huge dog. Bandra Kurla station, and getting him from the station all the way throughout the journey, which was really interesting because I met some really nice people who were in the train who wanted to come and pet Neo. My co-passengers were really friendly. They petted Neo for a bit, and then they were super comfortable having the dog. If there is any need to, uncomfortable situation with the fellow passengers, you can always talk to the TT and ask for a request for a close to people cabin. Besides that, the journey was brilliant. I would recommend every pet owner who wants to travel to take the dog on a train journey, which would be an experience for the life. And
नॉन-वेज में ऑमलेट है।
this is Tanya signing off from Indian Railway.